Welcome to Smart Library Solutions. Today, we're going to show you how to perform a fast, accurate, and fully digital stock verification in your library using Koha's inventory module, a powerful tool designed to simplify and streamline the entire process. Part 1. What is stock verification? Stock verification is the process of physically checking the items in your library and matching them with the records in your system. This essential process helps identify missing, misplaced, or damaged items, ensuring your catalog remains reliable and up-to-date. Part 2. Why use Koha for stock verification? Koha's inventory module makes this process faster and more accurate by allowing you to scan barcodes directly, update item statuses in real time, generate detailed reports all within Koha. No more messy spreadsheets or paper lists. Part 3. What you need to get started. Before you begin, ensure you have a barcode scanner for efficient scanning, access to Koha with appropriate permissions, a clear plan, which sections, shelves, or item types to verify. Part 4. Accessing the inventory module. Log in to the Koha staff interface. Navigate to the cataloging module. Under the report section, click on Inventory. This opens the inventory module, your central hub for running a smooth, organized inventory check. Key features: upload a barcode file or scan items directly. Filter by location, call number range, or item status. View results on screen and export as CSV. This tool helps detect missing, misplaced, or outdated items, keeping your collection accurate and well-maintained. Let's walk through the process step by step. Step 1. Choose how to enter barcodes. You have two input options. Upload a barcode file from your computer, one barcode per line. Scan items directly into Koha. Step 2. Set inventory parameters. Set the inventory date to track when items were last verified. You can also enable helpful options such as compare barcode list to results to flag missing or extra items. Do not check in scanned items to preserve current loan statuses. Check for shelving order to detect misfiled items based on call numbers. Once configured, scroll to the bottom and click Submit to view results. Step 3. Apply item location filters. Narrow your inventory scope by filtering items based on a library branch, shelving location, collection code, call number range. This helps you focus on specific sections, one at a time. Step 4. Optional filters for the inventory list or comparing barcodes. You can further filter items by their status, including not for loan, lost or long overdue, missing, withdrawn, damaged. This ensures you're reviewing only the relevant in-circulation items. Step 5. Skip items if needed. To streamline your scan, choose to exclude items that are already seen after a set inventory date, currently on loan, on hold, or awaiting pickup. This reduces duplication and focuses your efforts. Step 6. Select item types. Pick the specific material types you want to include, such as books, reference materials. Use Select All or Clear All for quick adjustments. Click Submit to view results on screen. Step 7. Export your results. Once you're ready, click Submit to display the inventory results. To save the data for reports or audits, check Export to CSV file. Click Submit again to download the file. As you scan, Koha automatically marks items as seen and applies your selected filters. Part 5. Generating reports. After the scan, Koha lets you generate detailed reports showing items that are missing, items present but not listed, items with incorrect statuses. Use these insights to update records and take corrective actions immediately. Part 6. Tips for a smoother inventory process. Work section by section to stay organized. Regularly update item statuses in Koha. Schedule inventory checks at least once a year. Consistent verification leads to a more reliable and user-friendly library system. And that's it. Now you can manage your library's inventory like a pro using Koha. Thanks for watching. For more expert tips on Koha, library automation, and digital cataloging, follow Smart Library Solutions.